In this video, I will show you how you can delete all your emails on Gmail on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open Safari. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just sign in using your Gmail address. After you enter your Gmail address, then just tap on enter. And after that, just enter the password of your Gmail address into this section. Now just tap on enter. Now just complete the sign-in process. Now after you've completed the sign-in process in gmail.com, now in your Gmail inbox, just select all your mail. To do that, just tap on the square icon over here. Now after you do that, you will select all the emails on this page. As you can see, this page contains 50 emails, but to select all your emails on your Gmail, just select all conversations. After you do that, you will select all the emails in your Gmail. From here, just tap on the bin icon on the screen to delete all the emails from your Gmail account. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.